When I was a child, I once saw an exciting and terrifying image on the television I knew I'd never forget. The black and white screen showed a shaky film of a tall, dark-haired creature walking briskly through a clearing and momentarily looking back at the camera. A creature that forever looks back at me through time. A creature that waits for me in my dreams. And now I sleep. Yes.
Okay.
Oh, good. Thank you. Yeah. Hey, do you believe in Bigfoot?
Yeah. Is this for
Yeah. No? Yeah?
No.
No? What? No?
No.
No.
Thank you.
All right. Thank you. Where'd she go? You can give me a straw. On that. Interesting. I was just coming by here and I noticed something kind of interesting. It almost looks like a path in here. Right in here. I should note that girl at McDonald's that said she didn't believe in Bigfoot, she was clearly lying. I could see it in. I could see right through her lying eyes. She definitely believes in Bigfoot. She's a Bigfoot believer if I've ever saw one. Rock on a rope. I picked this up a while back for, you might say, sort of a stakeout mission. Got a couple of hard-boiled eggs back here, which should be still good. Quite a bit of windfall right now, which stands to reason, being as it's the end of March, so we're kind of at the end of winter here. The people that have seen my other videos know there's a pretty good sized herd of elk that frequents this area. One is 1% used, the other is 0% used. The batteries on them are both 100%, so that tells me there's not really much on them since I changed those cards out a couple of weeks ago. Just heard a couple of limb snaps back here. Of course, I was standing here yapping. This is cam 5. Somebody walking through there. Oh, there's this some weird guy. Download that too. Oh, I hear something. Of course, now I can't see it because it's downloading. There's something going through there. Oh, you can hear it. Can't see it though. Oh, I see something back there. Moving through. Boy, whatever it is, it's loud. Oh, it's elk. Elk moving through. Noisy elk. Not exactly sure how good of an idea this is, but I don't, I saw this salt rock at a farm store about a couple of months ago. I mean, it's not like I really need to do anything to bring elk in up here, because there's tons of elk up here. But it would be, this might be kind of fun. So I like the elk stuff. I like to see the elk up here. Totally forgot about the eggs. These eggs. Yummy eggs. Come get them. If they disappear, maybe I'll bring some back. Some more up here. Anybody else get those hard-boiled eggs from Winco? All right. Onward we go. All right. In a few weeks, the vegetation will be getting thick in here. It won't take long now that it's warm. Won't take long at all. And there won't be the same visibility again until this time next year. Now is a good time to find those structures if you're going to find them from the road. Have to get out and pound the pavement a little bit. It's been a while since I've been back here. It's been probably, I don't know, 6-8 months at least. I had my first, it was my first little thermal unit. It was one of those little thermal cameras that you plug into your iPhone. I had a little iPhone at the time, and I was kind of skirting around. Long story short, I had found some big thermal signatures right behind a tree, like right where my camp was. That's just right up the road here. Took a night ops hike up this road one time. Things have definitely moved through here. It's quiet right now though, other than the wind and me. Everything's starting to bud. Humble beginnings. Today is Sunday, March 29th of 2026, and today we're going on sort of a special trip. We're going to return to a place that I actually had, it's a place that has special significance to me personally, and it's because it's where I had my first real strange experience in the Gifford Pinchot. Was that I was hiking on the trail behind Ape Cave. Sensed some pretty weird stuff. It was really quiet. It was dead quiet. And I could tell there was something right inside of the tree line. But now this is quite a few years ago. This would have been at about maybe 2006, 2007, something like that. It would have been only about a year or so after I moved here from Spokane.
And then where you need to receipt it all today.
That's right.
Hey, you're open to go.
And do you believe in Bigfoot?
Honestly, I feel like I do.
You do?
Yeah, honestly. I feel like it could be a real possibility, you know?
Nice.
There's too many stories, you know, I feel like.
There is, yeah.
Future, you know? Honestly.
Absolutely, yeah.
Same thing with aliens and shit like that. Like, there's no proof, technically, you know, but, like, there's way too many stories about that shit.
Too many stories. All it takes one to be right, huh?
Exactly.
Yeah.
That's what I'm saying. I've never seen shit, but, like, other people have, so you never know.
Sure, yeah. Excellent. Well, thank you, sir.
Yes, sir. Yeah,
We have a winner. Winner. We have searched heaven and earth. We have found one honest man today. Hello, this guy. This is it. This is the closest place that I can find on the map as the crow flies to fly the drone from here to get a good look at that place. It's a little bit chilly today. It's not. But it's not so chilly that it's uncomfortable to work. You ever had one of those days where you were doing things that you were doing something because you felt that you should be doing it, but at the same time, and you're glad that you're doing it, but at the same time you'd kind of rather be home watching Ancient Aliens? That's what today is.
Home point updated.
Hooray, we're in business. Landing. We landed. It does not take long at all for the weather to take a turn on you. which is clearly what it's done here today. It wasn't even supposed to rain today. So, yeah. Looking for Bigfoot in the rain is, in my opinion, it's a big waste of time. Oh, he's got a dog. When it gets rainy, I just kind of wrap it up, which is what I'm going to do today.